Hey, so it's unfortunate that you guys could not make it to the meeting today because I had planned a lot to discuss, but I mean, life happens. So I spent the last 15 minutes writing up what is due from everyone, what I expect from everyone to finish the project, and so I am going to switch the screen, show you what needs to be done. Hopefully you can all get this done. The first two things are due next week, and so yeah, that's it. So there we go. The first thing here, this is what we have done. So we have the guidelines done, the introduction, the charter, the team breakdown structure, that's this right here, the work breakdown structure, the communication plan, and the appendix we have done. Completely forgot that the appendix is just what it is just extra information. So like the stakeholders, phone numbers, emails, we got that done. So what needs to be done here is the program schedule, the risk assessment, post-mortem, lessons learned, final report, cost list, and profit lists. And so on the final report, we're going to have two meetings on that week. The week after the project is done, so that we can go over and do minor changes if needed, because I'm sure that that's going to be due June 11th, but I'll double check and then say what it is next week. And so I was looking at the project documentation, and it said individual and it said group. So what individual means, like within the group, within STAR team, individual, so everyone needs to do it, and group means STAR team. So we have to have our own, like I have to make my own risk assessment. All of you have to make your own risk assessment. You have to make your own lessons learned, and you have to write your own final report. So those are the three things that she wants from everyone inside our group, and she wants one final group for these three. And so I was hoping that we could do a risk assessment activity today. We could have got the group risk assessment finished and maybe have done our own, but I guess you guys can show up, so we're gonna work on that on Thursday. Then when she goes over it, then we'll have much more of an understanding of what it is. And so here I wrote what everyone's doing. Lynn, you're doing the program schedule. If you need help, if any of you need help, just message me. So the program schedule, and then the group risk assessment. The group one, that'll be Ken. So we're gonna give Ken all of our risks. He'll write up a report, and we'll turn that, and we'll have to, not turn it in, but I guess we'll have a final in our final report, group report, because I'm assuming what she wants to do next week is the individual one. So we're gonna work a little bit more on that on Thursday, maybe after class. And then I'll be doing the cost list and the profit list. What Ken Griffin should be doing is gathering all the cost list from each team's, giving it to me. The cost list is due June 8th, so he should write a report and give it to me on that day so that I can print it up and see how much the project was costed everyone. Profit list, I don't know, I'll have to talk with PMI, see if there was a budget for this. I know they said that the costs were absorbed, so I don't know if there's going to be a profit, because there wasn't really a budget given. Post-mortem Joe here, that's the group post-mortem. I don't believe we need an individual post-mortem, but we do need individual lessons learned. So I guess on that weekend, everyone has to make their own lessons learned, and we'll give it to Harris, and he'll make a group one. So, and yeah, that's basically it. That's what I wanted to go over with everyone today. So individual, our own, we have to make our own risk assessment, our own lessons learned, and our own final report. And then we have to make a whole group, a group risk assessment, lessons learned, and final report. And so, yeah, and the final report, individual and group, I want us to meet on June 10th. I guess a week or two before, we'll set up, maybe next week, we'll set up June 10th at a time where we all can meet, because it's the day before everything's due. So apparently that's important, because this project's worth 100 points. So yeah, this is it. Take a good look at everything, you know, and so this is basically all that we have to do, for the project now. And yeah, that's it, we're done. So a couple of more weeks, 2-3 more weeks. Yep. So yeah, and hopefully, I believe these are all Mondays, except for the June 10th, that'll be a Wednesday. So yeah, and that's it. So here you go. Yeah, and that's it. I guess that's it for this week, and I'll sign us up for next week, same time, same room, and I'll message everyone about this. So, yep. One thing I completely forgot, I just ordered this on Friday, it came in today. It was the notebook thing that I wanted to put all our files in for the final report. And so I wanted to get this, and it came in, and I'm gonna print off a new cover, because it has holes in it from the last one, and so that's probably what I'm gonna do later in the project. And so got this table of contents, everything. It's in vinyl. It's in the paper protector thingy, and so the charter. Yep. And then basically, when we get more files to put in from everything from the board, then I'll be reformatting everything. Yeah, it'll look nice. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys I'll see you guys on Thursday, if you decide to show up. So I'm just kidding. I know you'll be there. All right, bye. One last thing, and sorry about this, but I'd rather get all the information out and then end it. If not getting all of the information, then that's bad. I don't want to wait till Thursday to say this. If it's not too much trouble, can you guys spend 15-20 minutes writing down all the risks you can think of that would happen in our group, what could happen. As you know, we're doing all the finances and the marketing for our schools, what could happen. We already had a couple of issues that has happened. So if you can spend some time writing down all the risks, bullet point, bring it in on Thursday, that'll significantly help us when we're doing the group risk assessment. So kind of like think of all that you can and type it up, bring it in on Thursday. Thanks.